Alright, this is going to be a video on what happened to this Kohler Command 22 out of my new Ferris mower that's right there. I just want to make a video, see for myself what happened. When I pulled the oil drain out, metal came out. I can see a little bit of it right in there. A little bit of metal came out of the drain hole, so good feeling this motor's shot, but figured I'd make a video and let you guys see what happened. For one, this thing is caked all around with grease and stuff. I think it developed an oil leak and no one was ever able to figure out what it was. But the motor I put in it's not really running too good, so I'm gonna put this motor in. This is my one out of my other lawnmower. It's a Command 22, so it should fit right in. And it's actually about the same year that they made them. Let's slide you in my little camera stand. So, let's see if it'll work. Let's see if it'll work. Hold on, give me a minute here. How the heck is this thing? Oh, there we go. Alright. You guys got a good camera angle? Alright. I've already done taken all the bolts out and stuff in this. Let's see if I can get you guys a better camera angle. But I've already taken all the bolts out. There's a bunch of them around it. But alright, let's see what happened to this engine. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Yeah, you can see what's inside of it here. Yeah. Actually, the bottom of the block doesn't look bad at all, besides all the metal shavings. Give me 1 second here. Clean my hands up a little bit. Oh boy. Yeah. Not looking like a good day for this motor anymore. So, let's let you guys have the camera quick. Alright. Oh boy. Yep. Ooh. Yeah, let's put that over there. Oh yeah. Whole bottom of the thing is just gone. I'm not seeing any block damage so far though. Let's keep reaching in. Let's see. There's part of the piece that connects the crankshaft. There's another side of it. I wonder if I can pull that governor. No. But ooh, let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna need a new shaft. A new shaft and a new rod through it. But it doesn't even seem that bad, really. This might be another rebuild project soon. Yes, still a little oil down in there, but I've seen them way worse than this. But you know, I see metal shavings and stuff everywhere inside, but it doesn't seem like it really did that much damage when it came loose, or I'm not seeing it at least. It's not blown out of the block anywhere. I wouldn't assume, at least. But yeah, may try to rebuild this engine. I don't know yet, but like I said, it's gonna need a lot of work. Is the cam still on alignment? Oh, that's not even aligned anymore. Or is it? Oh no, it's not on the same side. Yeah, that's probably in alignment. Sorry, I'm just taking a look at this engine. There is a tooth missing right here. There's like a tooth missing on it. But heck, like I said, I've seen way worse than this. But all kinds of old oil. I mean, let's see if we can maybe put, well, there. Oh, alright, I see what happened now. So, this is what actually connects to your piston right here. That connects to your piston. I guess that broke, and then it hit something and broke that in half. Heck. Hopefully I can rebuild this, but yeah, this stuff's pretty much well shot. Yeah. Still even has some of the number on it. 5904A. Yeah. Something got beat to crap. But in the inside of the engine, it really doesn't even look that bad. Here's the last piece. Ooh. That bolt's got a pretty decent curve to it. But this motor actually, I mean, it's not in that bad a condition, but I'm definitely going to reuse some of the parts and stuff. I'm not going to use the CDI ignition system or smart spark system this has, because I do not like those. They're terrible, for me at least. I just never have liked them. I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but it doesn't seem like the governor really moves too much. It barely even moves. I guess it was because of the time this was made or something, but yeah, there's all kinds of junk and stuff in here. But like I was saying about this bottom part of the plate, doesn't really even look too bad. Besides, you know, all the metal shavings and carvings. I might have to get a new piece for this. Maybe. Like a liner in this. I think it's like a tiny silicone layer to seal this versus new ones. Yeah, there's just this tiny layer around the whole assembly, but yeah, I mean, doesn't look bad at all to me. Oops, it's just that junk. But I may try to rebuild this motor. I might make a video on it, I'm not sure, but I'll show you guys what's currently going on real quick with the other motor. I just gotta wipe my hand off real quick, hold on. The other motor is the one I rebuilt, and I don't exactly know what's wrong with it yet, but I would like to get it fixed, but I'm not too sure. It's watching some videos on this one, and I mean, it runs perfectly fine until you get about past half throttle on it, and then it just wants to die out. I feel like it might be an electrical issue, but I'm not sure, because it like, if you even press on the governor, it will not rev up whatsoever. Yeah, this throttle system's a little messed up on this, but it does work. Do it now. earlier it was not wanting to run like at full throttle at all, and it does idle out, but it was not wanting to run like at all earlier. It keeps like, it'll keep like backfiring back and forth through the intake manifold. I cleaned the gas up a little bit in it and redid some stuff, and I guess that might have helped it, but it just keeps seeming like a fuel issue, but I'm not really sure. It's kind of frustrating though, because I spent, you know, a day putting this motor in. I got everything working on it like it should, except for the motor wanting to actually rev up, but I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I'm surprised it's not wanting to recreate that problem again. Let me rev it up real quick. Maybe a little choke. See, it won't even rev up, even with messing with the governor on this. Not really sure why that is. It's like, it just seems like a fuel issue, but at the same time, I'm not really sure. How it is in my neighborhood. Everyone's got something loud they like to ride. But I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do yet. I'm really thinking about just putting my 22 horse Kohler in it, because it runs great, and I'd like to start using this thing immediately to cut grass with. But it's like the other day when the deck belt was too tight on it, and what I did to fix that is I like release the tension off of it a little bit, and that seemed to help a lot with it vibrating like crazy. I think it's still got a bad bearing. I also didn't know about this the other day. This whole panel actually flips up so you can see your stuff on there. I'll try to show you guys what I mean on this by it not wanting to really, it's not really got full power. So like it's just being caught up on something. I'm not really too sure about it, but it's fine if you're like about it, you know, like half throttle on it, but like, you know, trying to push the throttle all the way up so you can cut some grass good. Just don't work. Alright, that'll be it for this video. See you guys later.